everyone, I'm Dana. Welcome to my channel. If you already wear wigs, you know how important it is to secure your wig. Well, if you're new to wigs, then that's what my video is for. I'm going to show you exactly the steps that I take to prepare my hair and secure my wig so it stays in place all day long. So the most important thing as you begin to prepare your own hair is to get it as flat as possible. And then typically when I get down to the end, I don't have super thick hair. I may twist it, bring it around, and then I will start to pin it to make sure that's flat. Now if you have a lot of hair, you can always do a wig cap, or you've got the nylon ones. What I like to use is the It Stays. This stuff is water soluble, and you can wash it off, so it's not a big deal. It's not going to hurt anything. You may need to give it a good squeeze. And then just roll that on. It's like a roll-on deodorant, but just roll some of that adhesive out onto your head. The next thing is my Wig Secure. There's some wig grips out there, but I like the Wig Secure. It's by Amy Gibson. And the reason being, because she puts a little extra polyurethane on there, which really helps keep the wig from moving and slipping. Then from there, put that where it wraps around. And the thing to remember, you do not want it too far up here, because if you have a lace front, that's going to show. So make sure it sits back just a tad bit. From there, you can grab your favorite style. Slip that on. And I always say, rule number 1, check your tabs, because your tabs should sit at your temple, and that'll let you know you have the wig on straight. And then if you have a lace front, just kind of put it right where you feel comfortable. Once you know it's in place, take your fingers and just press down on that area where the glue is and the lace meet. Just that easy. Your wig will be secure. It's not going to come off until you decide to take it off. So from there, feel confident, look great, and know your wig's going to stay in place all day. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if so, please let me know by liking it. And if you want to see more, be sure to subscribe and let me know how I can help you. So until next time, keep looking up and believe in yourself.